Feeling stuck trying to choose a gold IRA company and not sure who actually honors their buyback guarantees? You're not alone. And here's how to get clarity without having to call anyone. Start by going to the company's website and looking for either a FAQ page or a terms and conditions page. Scroll through and look for anything that mentions buyback or repurchase. What you want to find is something that clearly says they offer a buyback, there's no obligation to sell back to them, and there are no hidden fees for doing so. If you can find the buyback policy or it's buried in vague legal language, that's a red flag. Transparency here matters. You should never have to guess how the process works or worry about being pressured when it's time to sell. If you're not sure what a good buyback policy should include, the free checklist I'm linking below breaks it down for you. No guesswork, no pressure. Just scroll down and grab it under this video. Some companies, like Augusta Precious Metals, clearly explain their buyback process upfront, so you're not left guessing when it's time to sell. That's the kind of transparency to look for. And if you want a simple way to vet other companies, grab the free checklist I linked below this video. It will walk you through the rest step by step.